How to make dotted light animation on Premiere Pro. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I will show you how you can do that. So you must have seen many videos for this, and also if you are using an PC and you want to do it, then it's a pretty interesting thing to do. So I will show you the steps how you can solve this problem of yours. So to solve this problem, a possible workaround would be used to Venetilian binds filter, which actually looks like this. Here's with a bit of experimentation. You can see a path with the stock of 20 for the blind effect that is doubled with 40. So this transition completion value is set to 50% so that the half effect is achieved. You might want to play around with the settings if you want longer dashes as well. Dashes is the lines that you can simply get. So this effect is typically used as a transition, but as we have not keyframes for the transition, there will be no animation. This effect only works with the straight lines. You should keep that in mind. So if the line is at the angle, you will need to adjust the direction value as well. So that is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.